Now we're going to practice having a discussion on a Schoology discussion board. So on this discussion board today, we're going to be thinking about something called communication climate. So the communication climate in a classroom is about how we feel when we're communicating in our class. So when students are talking to each other or the teacher is talking to students, what does that feel like? So in our discussion today, you're going to see that there are something called thinking frames, and I will often give you thinking frames in math class, and your job is to take those thinking frames and then insert your own thinking into them. So your thinking frames for today are, in class, I'd like our communication climate to feel, and we can help each other feel by doing blank. So to make this easier, instead of retyping the whole thing, the first thing that you can do is highlight all of the text for the thinking frames. So I highlighted those two thinking frames there. Then you're going to press Control C. That's how you copy text. Then you're going to click where it said write a comment, and this little box will pop up. To paste the text, you do Control V. And I know that's kind of silly that it's not like paste, but it's Control V. Then you're going to get rid of the spaces or where I have those three dots, and you're going to insert your own thinking. So I want you to think for a moment, when you're in class, what do you want it to feel like when you're working with other people or talking with me? And how can we help each other feel that way? So for example, I'll write mine. In class, I'd like our communication climate to feel welcoming. We can help each other feel welcomed. So I'll get rid of those three dots and put welcomed by, how could we help each other feel welcomed? Well, we could start by introducing ourselves to each other if we're working in small groups, which we haven't done yet, but we will soon. So we can help each other feel welcomed by introducing ourselves to each other when we are in small groups. So that's one way we can help build a communication climate that feels welcoming. I wonder, what are other ways that we want to feel when we're working in math class? Go ahead and copy paste those two thinking frames and insert your thinking. And when you're done, go ahead and press post. All right, talk to you soon.